Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Anggun Yubawa. Today I'd like to present the result of my thesis with the title Society Values in Alice Adventure in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. So before we go into presentation, I'd like to say thanks to my supervisor, co-supervisor, for giving me this opportunity. This is the brief of my outline. First is introduction, second is literature review, and then the third is methodology, and the last is discussion. Literature has been known by many people and become a part of life. The literature also has been functioned as messenger to the societies for all the polemic and problem that exist. Therefore, we can have a picture of what we should do when we face the some problem that occur in the literary work. The kind of literature is novel. Novel from Italian novella, Spanish novela, French novella. For the meaning are new or news or a short story of the something new. The new story novel come after drama and poetry. Corinne Tarigan, 1985. Society values are the most important aspect of the social system, which play a predominant role in running and sustaining the social order, according to Sanjay 2015. In Alice Adventure in Wonderland novel, Lewis Carroll through the unprejudiced and the incongruent way young children approach the world. With the Alice Adventure in Wonderland, he wanted to describe how a child sees our adult world, including all of the in eyes of the child's daily and ability, role and activity we created for ourselves as well as the ego and the habit we have developed during. Another slide is research questions. What are the society values in Alice Adventure in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll, and are there any the society values apply in Indonesia young age education? Move to another slide is literature review. First is literature, and second is literature in society, and the third is character, and then value, society value, and then Indonesia young age character educations, and then what is the novel, and Lewis Carroll biography, and then previous study. So let's move to another slide is chapter 3, research methodology. Research method is research was a descriptive qualitative method. The descriptive study is an appropriate way to expose facts related with the problem which is going to be discussed according to Gay 1991. Instrument of the research. This research used documentary or library research as the research instrument. In this mean, research used to read the novel, and corpus of the research, the object of the research was novel entitled Alice in Adventure in Wonderland. And then the next is technique of collecting data. The research used several steps. First, reading Alice Adventure in Wonderland novel, and then making synopsis and identifying the characteristics who play important, and analyzing the society values in Alice Adventure in Wonderland, and confer the character, and the last is making conclusion. Technique of the analysis. The research conduct the data analysis with the following procedure. First, finding the character of Alice Adventure in Wonderland, describing a society value from the Alice Adventure in Wonderland, and classifying society value from Alice Adventure in Wonderland. And then move to another slide. It's research and discussions. After reading and comprehending this novel, the research found and interpreted the main character society value, the story of this novel. From 18 character education set by Ministry of Education 2000, and there are 4 society value in this novel. There are curiosity, hardworking, politeness, and independent. The society values of the Alice Adventure in Wonderland differ for the first is curiosity. There are 5 curiosity. Curiosity is attitude and action that always work to find more depth and breadth of something learned, seen, and heard. Ministry of Education 2010. There are very some curiosity values found in the novel. The first value curiosity is found in chapter 1, page 1. Starting with Alice sitting with her sister under a tree while reading a book, and she was bored. Something she saw a book without a picture and composition. She said, "What's the use of the book like that?" Alice imagines a she could because the hot weather made her sleepy and felt stupid. While thinking about how much more fun it was arranged flowers, then at the moment suddenly a white rabbit with pink eyes ran toward her. Burning with curiosity, she ran across the felch after it and was just in time to see it pop down a large rabbit hole under the hedge. From the quote, it appears that the sentence marked in bold, indicating that Alice had a curiosity toward the white rabbit who suddenly approached her. What made Alice curious was when she saw a white rabbit wearing a patch and crying and carrying the watch in a hurry to kiss something Alice had never seen before. Alice initially did not care about the scream of the white rabbit that saw that and in the end, Alice really wanted to know more about the rabbit, where the rabbit would run, and what made the rabbit felt glad, and where the rabbit wanted to go, and with whom. The connection of curiosity is marked by the existence of a thought process, namely the use of all five senses processed by Alice to the full. Activations can be started by observing, touch, the eyes, or hearing information from other people. Alice's attitude showed turbulence feeling that could arouse curiosity. Her curiosity was developed when she was in an attractive environment. The innate character of individual Alice so motivated herself to investigate and learn about something. She wanted to know toward personal satisfaction. Her curiosity also was seen when she wanted to know something new, so that when she saw a rabbit wearing a waistcoat pocket and carrying the watch, it was a new thing and the first time in her life to see it caught her attention. Alice wanted to know what happened to the white rabbit, what the rabbit was catching, and the Alice's curiosity was soothed by her following where the white rabbit ran, by entering a hole until she fell deep into the ground like a straight downward tunnel. This behavior showed Alice's inner curiosity about something she did not think about the risk and how she could come back later is one of the characteristics of the someone who has high curiosity. After feeling down, the isle Alice descended on the pile and bright leaf still with curiosity that had not been answered verbally. Alice continued chasing the rabbit who was thrashing the hole. One obstacle the fetch was to keep following the rabbit, one of the which was that she had to enter a small locked door. Alice's body could not enter the door, that was too small. At the moment, Alice found a bottle and said, "Drink me." With curiosity, she drank it and was very surprised because her body turned small by 10 inches, hoping that was the solution she had to get, but it turned out that the key was left on the table. That was her research because the table was very high. Then there was cake that read it me. She hoped would turn out big again, but it not change anything. Then curiosity and another curiosity is also shown in chapter 2, as stated in the following quotes. Just then she heard something splashing about in the pool a little way off, and she swam nearer to make out what it was. At first she thought it must be a walrus or a hippopotamus, but then she remembered how small she was now, and she soon made out that it was only a mouse that had slipped in like herself. Page 2020. From the quotes, the line marked in bold indicated that Alice had curiosity. A person's curiosity drives her to pay a lot of attention to an activity, to process information more deeply, and is more likely to complete the challenge completely. It can be seen from the sentence marked in the bold that Alice had curiosity about what she saw, which was something that slid into the pool at first, she suspected it must be walrus or hippopotamus. With the sense of the wanting to know something diverse, Alice dared to talk to the mouse. "Oh, rat, you know how to get out of this pool? I'm already tired of swimming all the time." Alice also looked very endangered to know how the solution so that she could get out of her own pool of the tear. Alice had been touched a lot before due to her curiosity. She ate and drank something in order to change her body until she sunk into her own tears. Anything that looked strange and she had never encountered before was what attracted Alice. Explore again the strange thing, it was why it would be like that and how to get there. And then the next researcher found that hardworking society value is hardworking. Hardworking is showing an earnest effort to overcome various barriers to learning and assessments, also completing the task as well as possible, according Ministry of Education 2010. After Alice slid to the bottom of the well and finally fell between the twigs and leaves, the line that so hardworking is in the following quotes. Alice was not a bit hurt, and she jumped up onto her feet in a moment. She looked up, but there was all dark overhead before her when a lone passenger, and the white rabbit was still inside, but hurrying down it. There was no a moment to be lost. Away went Alice likely the wine and was just in time to hear him say as the turning a corner, "Oh, my ears, the weakness! How late it's getting." She was close behind when she turned the corner, but the rabbit was no longer to the scene. They found herself in a long low fall which was lit up by a run of hanging from the roof pitch. The lines marched in the bolt or jumped once to her feet and away. When Alice liked the wine, it showed the attitude of her or hardworking Alice. She tried to continue her adventure. The result of the analysis was research found that Alice was the child who had the highest curiosity, right? Curiosity naturally also foster hard work because the two are related. When a child wants to know something, currently she works and hard to answer her curiosity. How Alice wanted to know something deeper was the working hard toward obstacle and solving problem. When she was in Wonderland, it has been explained in first chapter. Alice's mission was originally to pursue the white rabbit that she met for the first time until she continued to work hard to follow the rabbit. The researcher found that society values politeness. Politeness is attitude, word, and actions that show respectful and considerate of other people. According Ministry of Education 2010, politeness in this novel comes in chapter 2. The lines that show politeness is in the quotes. "Perhaps it does not understand English," thought Alice. I dare say it. A French must come over with William the Conqueror, for with all her knowledge of history, Alice had no very clear notions how long ago anything had happened, so she began again. "Always my case," which was the first sentence in her French lesson book. The mouse gave a sudden laugh of the weather, and seemed to quite all over with fright. "Oh, I beg your pardon," cried Alice hastily, afraid that she had hurt the poor animal's feelings. "I quite forget you didn't like cat." It is in page 21. The lines march in the bold soul. The word "pardon" explained that is Alice was a polite and respectful attitude toward others. One of the basic society values that must be possessed by humans is politeness attitude. According Licona 2009, Politeness are manners in daily life as the reflections of noble personality and character, according to Raya and Unity 2007. And the quote explained that Alice accidentally discussed cat too much to the fact mice had cats when it was originally she tried to talk to the mouse, but the thing asked by Alice made the mouse feel the uncomfortable. Alice said, Do you look like a cat by using French?" This made the rat angry and jumping and troubling. And then Alice edited her not hard the mouse because she is a friendly, natural, good speech and not rude, not arrogant. She was very concerned about the feeling of the around her and really appreciated the existence of the rat. And then the next is researcher was found independent. Independent is attitude and behavior that are not easily depends on other to complete tasks. According Ministry of Education 2010. Independent in this novel come in chapter 4, a stage in the following in the quotes. The things There's things I have got to do, said Alice to herself as she wandered about in the wood, is to grow to my right size again. The second thing is to wend my way into that lovely garden. I think that will be the best plan. In the page 45. And in the quote, Alice looked independent in making decisions. In the lines march in both. Independent in Alice was a change in she that was the result of the experience and training while passing through various obstacles in Wonderland without relying on the others. She could make her own plans. What she must do. She planned as she wandered about in the wood was to grow to normal size again, and the second thing was to find her way into the lovely garden. Self-reliance in Alice was interpreted as independent attitude whose own initiative urges to arouse actions without intermediaries and spontaneity. That is, there is freedom for decisions, judgment, opinions, accountability without depending on others. The plan Alice decided seemed to be mature, thoughtful, neat, and simple plan, but importantly, Alice did not have a selfish idea to make it happen. The the tech challenge that made her independent was when she saw a dog trying to approach her. Alice panicked and worried to dog which it is. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.